Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to play Ana. Now Ana is a support character, meaning she is a healer, and her job is to heal her teammates. Now she's got a biotic rifle. You can shoot, with your crosshair normally, and you can also use it, scope in and use it as a sniper. Now while scoped, it is a hit scan rifle, so if you scope in, it will hit whatever you're trying to hit immediately. Now she's got this ability, which is a sleep dart. You should not use it right away. Sleep dart is very useful for catching off flankers, and since you are the Ana and a lot of people will want to kill you, so you keep the sleep dart in order for catching those that's trying to flank you. And you're gonna have a biotic grenade. This grenade will heal your allies and do damage and prevent your enemies from healing. And her ultimate is a nano boost. It basically increases your allies' damage, and it's basically steroids in short. So now let us go in the game. So as you can see, it doesn't hit the target immediately, right? You can even see the bullet traveling. But if I scope in, I hit the target immediately. Scope in, hits immediately. Scope in, hits immediately. So her weapon is basically a 2-in-1. It is a projectile weapon as well as a hit scan weapon. And there is no headshot damage boost for Ana's weapon, but it does a little bit of damage over time, as you can see. Now, if I go over to my teammates right here, and taking damage, if I shoot them, it heals them, as you can see. Heals them, heals them, heals them. Now this grenade, if I splash it between them, as you see, it heals them. But if I splash this same grenade to these bots, right, I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And if I splash this right here, as you can see, they take some damage, and that purple means they can't heal. They can't heal themselves, no one can heal them either. And this is your nano boost. As you can see, this is my friendly bot. Let's see how much damage he does. Let us let him kill this other training bot. Alright, now if I give him the nano boost, as you can see, it does more damage. Instead of 3 bars, it's doing 4 bars, and yeah, he's gonna die faster. That's the damage boost from the nano. And finally, I'm gonna show you guys the sleep dart. This is what the sleep dart does. See? He's sleeping. But if you do any damage while they're sleeping, they're gonna wake up. So make sure if you do catch someone off guard, make sure you have someone beside you to guarantee that kill. Otherwise, it's kind of useless. Like, look, I do this. It does such little damage. He's not gonna die. So make sure you have someone that's with you so that your flanker or anyone that you sleep dart can instantly die. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.